welcome to Bricks Kids Live with me, your host Craig and
Janelle.
We are so happy that you have joined us. This is time for
Science
activities. So, boys and girls, we are in the studio and we're now ready to do the science for today. And today, Janelle, we're going to focus on endurance, and we need to make sure we endure because we know that Jesus will help us do anything. Anything is possible. And
with God, you can endure anything, so trust
Him.
Jesus.
Right. Now, do you know, Janelle, that the word impossible just simply means I am possible. I am. Apostrophe. I am possible. So when you think of something being impossible, you think that means I am possible. Not really impossible, but I am possible. So everything is possible. Now, I have this tube here, Janelle, and this is like Jesus. He endures a lot, right? So, endures a lot. The weight of the world is on him, and he went to the cross and endured a lot. Let's see if we can, right? He endured a lot. So, and we can add lots of things to that. And Jesus endured a lot for us. So that cube is representing Jesus. But this paper here is like us. Can't endure. What would happen if I put it on? Can it endure? It's gonna fall. So we can't endure much with that paper. But what we need, boys and girls, is to make sure that we are close. To endure anything, we need to be close to Jesus. We need to be wrapped up in Jesus and wrapped around Jesus and have Jesus with us. Because when we wrap ourselves around with Jesus in our heart, we can endure a lot. So, what you are going to do, I'm going to roll this paper. Can you get me that? Yep. So you get in the tape. So what I've done, Janelle, I've rolled.
Here.
Oh, be careful there. Up. Where's the sticky part? So I've rolled. Okay, put it there. So what I've done is I've rolled this up and wrapped myself around Jesus, and then I just need. Yep. Just tape that up. And can you put one along the end there?
Okay.
Yep. Yep. And now we have wrapped up around Jesus. So even if Jesus goes, we are still there. We have formed ourselves in his image. And now we're going to try. And this, we have to be careful now. See if we can put that on. Balance it on. Let's see. Let me help you. Let me help you, Janelle. Let me help you. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. So, I wonder if I can add another one on it. Let me see if I can add another one on it. Because we have, but with Jesus, with us wrapped around Jesus, we can endure anything and we can be strong. We can take the pressures that come, because when we go through the fire, when we go through all those difficult times, what happens? It builds us. It makes us be more like stronger and be more like Jesus. And Jesus is the difference between you and I being able to handle stress of life. So Jesus is the difference between you and I, boys and girls, being able to handle the stress of life. So remember, with God, anything.
You can endure anything, so trust Jesus.
Do comment. Tell us what you like. Tell us what we could do better. Email them to us at info@brickskids.org. info@brickskids.org. And text us, or you can WhatsApp us 07866437262. Go to our website www.brickskids.org. You can learn more about some of the sessions we have done before, or you can, subscribe to
our YouTube channel and hit the notification button
so you will be notified when we go live with any of our shows.
Don't forget Friday favorites, 7:30 p.m.
there.
Yes. And we just want to thank all of you for joining us.